Are you tired of spending a fortune on earbuds? You're not alone. Finding the perfect pair of budget-friendly AirPods can be a challenge, but I'm here to help. In this video, I'll compare the top 5 best budget AirPods available on Amazon and help you choose the right one for your needs. Hey guys, welcome back to Anjan's Tech Treasures. Today we're diving into one of the most competitive categories in the tech world, true wireless earbuds. I'll be reviewing 5 popular budget models that you can find on Amazon. The Amazon Basics True Wireless in-Ear Earbuds, the Petron Best Buds Duo, the Boat AirDops 141, the Earphone Air Pro 2, and the Tozo T20. Which one offers the best value for your money? Let's find out. We'll cover everything from sound quality and battery life to comfort, design, and overall performance. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's get into it. Let's start with the design and build quality. First up, the Amazon Basics True Wireless Earbuds. They have a very minimalistic design, simple matte black finish, and a fairly compact charging case. The build feels solid, but let's see how they compare to the others. Next we have the Petron Best Buds Duo. These earbuds come with a glossy finish and feel slightly lighter than the Amazon Basics. The case is compact but feels a little plasticky. Now the Boat AirDops 141. Boat is known for its stylish designs and the AirDops 141 doesn't disappoint. These have a nice matte finish and a premium looking case. Build quality feels durable too. Moving on to the Earphone Air Pro 2, these earbuds look sleek with a futuristic design. The stem is slim and the case has a very ergonomic design. Definitely a contender for best build quality. Finally, the Tozo T20. With their glossy finish and water resistant build, they feel sturdy and well constructed. The case is compact with a nice heft to it. Comfort is key when it comes to earbuds, especially if you're wearing them for long periods. The Amazon Basics earbuds fit comfortably but are slightly bulkier. They may not be ideal for long hours of listening. The Petron Best Buds Duo are lightweight, and because of their smaller size, they fit well in the ear, though they don't feel as secure during movement. Boat AirDops 141 have a very secure fit, and because of their ergonomic design, they feel comfortable for extended use. The Earphone Air Pro 2 are designed with premium ear tips and feel the most comfortable, thanks to their lightweight and soft silicone tips. Lastly, the Tozo T20 earbuds feel snug and are comfortable even during long sessions, plus they have the added benefit of being waterproof. If comfort is your priority, I'd say the Earphone Air Pro 2 and Tozo T20 are the best options here. Now let's talk about sound quality. We'll test each of these in different genres of music, from pop to classical to EDM. Starting with the Amazon Basics earbuds, they offer decent sound quality, but they lack depth in the bass and clarity in the highs. For casual listeners, they'll work, but audiophiles might be disappointed. The Petron Best Buds Duo have a punchy bass, but the mids and highs aren't as clear. They're more suitable for bass lovers but not the best for balanced audio. The Boat AirDops 141 offer a more well-rounded sound. The bass is prominent, but the mids and highs also shine through, making them great for most types of music. Next, the Earphone Air Pro 2. These earbuds have active noise cancellation and offer a much more premium sound. The bass, mids, and highs are all well balanced, and the noise cancellation works surprisingly well for this price range. Finally, the Tozo T20. These have a similar sound profile to the Earphone Air Pro 2 with great bass, clear mids, and good highs. They also feature impressive sound isolation. If sound quality is what you care about, the Earphone Air Pro 2 and Tozo T20 are the clear winners, with the Boat AirDops 141 coming in a close second. Let's move on to battery life. This can make or break your experience with wireless earbuds. The Amazon Basics earbuds offer about 6 hours of playback on a single charge, with 54 hours including the case. The Petron Buds Duo give around 4 to 5 hours per charge, and the case provides an additional 32 hours. Not the best, but decent for the price. Boat AirDops 141 boasts an impressive 42 hours of total playback time, with up to 6 hours on a single charge. The Earphone Air Pro 2 offers around 7 hours of playback with on-C on, and the case adds up to 34 hours. Tozo T20 offers about 6 hours of playback with the case providing a total of 30 hours. Boat AirDops 141 takes the crown here for battery life, but the Earphone Air Pro 2 also offers a solid balance between playback time and ANC performance. Let's talk about additional features. The Amazon Basics earbuds are pretty basic in terms of features. They do have touch controls, but there's no on-C or special features. The Petron Buds Duo are similar, no NC, but they do offer basic touch controls. Boat AirDops 141 offers a low latency mode for gaming, which is a nice feature at this price point. The Earphone Air Pro 2 comes packed with features like active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and touch controls. This is impressive considering the price. Tozo T20 also features touch controls and IPX8 waterproofing, making them ideal for workouts or outdoor use. Finally, let's talk about price. Amazon Basics is the most affordable at around Rs 2000, while Petron Buds Duo come in at a similar price point. Boat AirDops 141 are priced around Rs 1500, making them the best bang for your buck in terms of features and performance. Earphone Air Pro 2 is on the higher end, around Rs 5000, but with its premium features it's worth the investment. Tozo T20 is also around Rs 4000, making them a great value considering their sound quality and waterproof rating. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for the best sound and features, the Earphone Air Pro 2 and Tozo T20 are the top contenders. But if you're on a budget, Boat AirDops 141 offers the best value for money. The Amazon Basics and Petron Buds Duo are decent for their price, but they don't offer the same level of performance as the others. That's it for today's in-depth review. Let me know in the comments which earbuds you would go for, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tech reviews. See you next time.